Let's get real for a second. A few years ago, humanoid robots were basically high-tech mascots, flashy, photogenic, and, well, mostly for show. They danced, they waved, maybe served coffee at a tech expo if you were lucky. Useful in the real world, not so much. But today, that future we joked about is showing up for real, and it isn't waiting politely to be invited in. It's kicking the door down. In this video, you're going to witness the rise of real humanoid labor. We'll explore how Foxconn and NVIDIA teamed up to build a robot nurse that already assists human patients, why Singapore's first humanoid security bot is more than just a trial, how a $27 million funded startup is building humanoids tough enough for shipyards, the debut of Titan, a rugged industrial robot with brute strength and surgical precision, and a game-changing AI framework from Carnegie Mellon that just taught robots how to walk and push open doors at the same time. Stick around, because what you'll hear in the next 20 minutes might just change how you think about work, automation, and the future of your job. Story BGINS, the rise of NeuroBot. Let's kick things off with a bombshell from Computex. Three giants, Foxconn, NVIDIA, and Kawasaki, just unveiled a humanoid robot nurse named NeuroBot. Now wait, don't picture a glorified rolling cart with a smiley face. NeuroBot is the real deal. It can understand natural language, navigate autonomously, process live data, and adapt its behavior over time. Think of it like an AI-powered caregiver that never takes a break. Developed in partnership with Taiwan's Taichung Veterans General Hospital, NeuroBot is designed to tackle some of healthcare's biggest problems: staff burnout, labor shortages, patient monitoring. The result? A robotic nurse that can monitor vital signs in real time, help patients move or turn in bed, deliver medications and meals, even offer emotional support and conversation. Thanks to NVIDIA's cutting-edge AI platform, NeuroBot isn't just following orders. It recognizes patterns, remembers routines, and adjusts on the fly. If a patient's oxygen drops, it alerts the staff immediately. If someone gets up frequently at night, it adapts to help them safely. The reviews from early trials: nurses say it's freeing them to focus on serious care. Patients say it feels like someone's always there. And we're not just talking about a one-off. This is just the beginning of what Foxconn and NVIDIA are calling a scalable solution for global healthcare systems. Let that sink in. A robot with bedside manner. From hospital to security. From healing hands to watchful eyes. Let's jump to Singapore, where security company Certes just rolled out its first humanoid robot. Built by robotic startup Agibot, this humanoid isn't chasing thieves or scanning badges. Yet, for now, it's being tested in areas like building security, customer service, and facilities management. But here's what makes this rollout interesting: it's cautious, controlled, intentional. Certes isn't rushing to replace human guards. Instead, they're asking a smarter question. How can humanoid robots fit alongside people, not just instead of them? And that includes integration with their proprietary orchestration platform, Mozart, which coordinates everything from security patrols to customer service. Imagine a world where robots and humans share tasks based on strengths, not limitations. If Singapore's careful public testing succeeds, expect similar trials in major US metros sooner than you think. Because let's be honest, safety, efficiency, and 24/7 uptime, that's hard to ignore. Quick question. Pause for a second. When was the last time you thought, am I falling behind on tech? Because the truth is, if you're not using AI today, you're already late to the party. That's why this video is sponsored by Outskill, the online AI bootcamp that's helped over 4 million people worldwide. This weekend, they're offering 16 hours of live AI training for free. Learn 20+ tools, master prompting, automate daily work, build agents, and become an AI power user. Normally it's $895, but my viewers get 1,000 free seats. Hit the link in the description to enroll. You'll thank yourself in 6 months. All right, back to the robots. Shipyard robots arrive. Now let's go to Houston, where startup Persona AI is redefining blue-collar work. Backed by $27 million in fresh funding, Persona is building humanoid robots for heavy industry, starting with shipbuilding. This isn't theory. The founders are ex-NASA and figure AI engineers, people who have spent decades solving real-world robotic problems. And they're not building showroom models. These bots are. Agile enough to work in cramped metal corridors. Durable enough to survive welding sparks in salt air. Smart enough to learn from what they're doing. And here's the kicker. Persona isn't selling these robots. They're renting them. Companies pay for what they use, robotics as a service. Their first big customer, HD Hyundai, the world's largest shipbuilder. Deployment starts within 18 months. That's not hype. That's a ticking countdown. If this works, we'll see humanoids not just in labs, but welding, lifting, inspecting, doing the jobs most humans don't want to or can't. Meet Titan. Now meet Titan. Built by RoboForce, this industrial humanoid is engineered for the toughest environments on Earth, and maybe someday beyond Earth. Titan isn't sleek. It's a beast. 2 models, one with wheels for smooth terrain and one with tracks for mud, gravel, slopes, you name it. It's modular, rugged, and runs AI that adapts in real time. And it's not just strong, it's precise. Titan can pick up objects with 1 precision, carry up to 40 kg, reach over 1 meter, work an 8-hour shift without recharge. Their secret: a focus on what RoboForce calls the 5 primitives: pick, place, press, twist, connect. They're building a robot that can do 80% of industrial work by mastering just these 5 actions. Why reinvent the wheel when you can perfect the wrench? And they're moving fast. With $15 million in total funding and pilots underway, RoboForce is positioning Titan as the next must-have industrial tool. What if robots think while they work? Now here, where it gets wild. At Carnegie Mellon University, researchers just developed a system called Falcon. It's an AI control framework that solves one of robotics' final frontiers: coordinated strength. Imagine a robot pulling a heavy door while walking backward and not tipping over. That's what Falcon does. It trains 2 separate AI agents, one for arms, one for legs, that share data in real time. The result: robots that maintain balance under stress, apply 100 newtons of force, react to shifting weight or awkward angles. Tested on real robots like Unitree G1 and Booster T1, Falcon doubled arm accuracy and kept the bots upright under pressure. It's not perfect yet. It still struggles with twisting tools or pushing with other body parts. But it's a massive leap toward robots that can handle messy, unpredictable workspaces. Now think about this. What happens when Falcon-level AI merges with NeuroBot or Titan or Persona's humanoids? Final thought, the big question. This is happening faster than we imagined. Robots aren't just coming to support us. They're getting ready to run entire workflows, from healthcare to heavy industry. Which leads us to one big, uncomfortable question. How long before robots aren't just helping us, but replacing us behind the scenes? Is it 5 years, 10, or are they already starting? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if this got you thinking, and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech that's changing your world. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and stay human, because the machines, they're clocking in.